My name is Peiju Ho in EESL 514 curriculum class, and I'm going to interview Liliana. Okay, number 1, please introduce yourself briefly.
My name is Viridiana Perez. I work at an elementary school in Corona, California at Parkridge Elementary. I teach the 3rd grade. I'm a reading teacher intervention, which means that I teach students reading skills to improve their reading comprehension and their fluency and their accuracy and their rate. And I've been doing it for 1 year.
Okay, and can you tell me your important contextual issue that influence curriculum and instruction?
Okay, since I work with kids, I feel that it's important to show animation and enthusiasm whenever I present the kids a lesson, just to get them kind of involved and excited for learning about the topic. And if I know the topic's going to be difficult, I don't want to tell them that it's hard, because then it's going to completely change the dynamics of the classroom. So just always keeping a positive atmosphere.
Okay.